best hosting companies allow you to install WordPress within a few clicks. In most circumstances, installing WordPress is a simple process that takes less than 5 minutes to complete. You can also ask your hosting provider nicely if they'll do it for you, and they usually will for free. The easiest and quickest way to install WordPress is just through your hosting. Simply log into your control panel, or cPanel for short. Your hosting company would have provided you with this information when you signed up to host your website. Log in with your username and password, and then scroll down and look for the soft delicious icon or the WordPress installer icon. You'll find these under auto installers. Clicking on any of these icons will launch the auto installer for WordPress. First, you'll see an overview of WordPress. You need to click on the Install tab to continue. Then you'll be asked where you'd like to install WordPress. Here, choose your domain name. Now you can choose HTTP, which is the start of your domain name, for every situation, except if you're starting an online store and you are going to be processing payments live on your website. In those cases, then you choose HTTPS, which just means you'll have an SSL certificate, and the S on the end just means secure. So that's how you can tell. Now it's up to your personal preference if you wish to add the www or not. It doesn't matter which option to choose, it's purely for aesthetics, but remember which one you do choose, as this will be your proper domain, so jot it down somewhere. After that, you'll need to choose your domain name and where you want to install WordPress. Most users want to install WordPress in the domain name, like example.com. So in this case, you'll want to make sure the in directory field is blank. Scroll down a little and you'll see the site settings section. Under this section, first you'll need to provide a title and a description for your WordPress site, but don't worry, you can easily change this later. Next, you'll need to choose an admin username and password, and email address. Make sure that you enter a correct email address that you have access to, as this is where WordPress will send notification and password reset links if you ever forget your password. The rest of the options on the screen are optional. You can now click on the install button and run the installer. You'll see a progress bar with your installation status. It should only take a couple of minutes, but please don't close your window until the progress bar reaches 100%, otherwise this may affect your installation. When it's complete, you'll see a success message. It'll also show you a link to your website and another link to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. To log into your WordPress dashboard, place /wp-admin on the end of your domain. This will redirect to the back end of your website where you'll be able to log in. And that's it, you've successfully installed WordPress.